Chef here, just zooming in on some of these wood-fired pizzas. Oh yeah, look at that. That's going to be good. If you want to learn more about that, nice thin crispy crust. First one is all done. How does that look? How does that pizza look to you? Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color, I love the grain. It's hard, hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see, you get what you pay for. I don't use these. And, well, I don't know if you should either. Anyway, check it out. They're all in stock. ChefDepot.com. Have a great day. With a clear coat of food safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really nice. So stay tuned with me and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.